guys, welcome back to another video. And so we're going to be going down on a bike ride.
Just cruising.
On our mountain bikes, cruising. So
yeah, we're not going to be going too fast. I'm just staying in gear 2 for now. I might go to gear 3. You want just go a little bit faster so that way it's not you slow.
I'm gear 6.
By the way, are you going to let them know about the vacation?
Oh, and by the way, so Thursday and pretty much all next week, we are not going to be here, so we can't record any vids.
Well, I might do like a vlog or two.
Well, he might do a vlog, and
I could like do a vlog or two.
and then we'd have to like upload it when we get home or something. Or we could just not go with it, or we could go without editing, and we would have to go and upload it on the phone.
Yeah, I'm gonna have.
So
we'll do this on both our channels. I mean, I'm just riding my bike aside. Filming right now. Oh, are you filming?
no. Whoa.
Dude, don't record vertically. It's annoying. It's annoying for people. Because you're going to have to, like, tilt your screen sideways.
True.
Yeah, that's why I don't record vertically.
I'm just not even pedaling. I'm just letting me go. We're on our mountain bikes.
Let's go as fast as we can down this little stretch.
All right.
3, 2,
Oh, this is hard.
1, go. Stay in, like, your cruise. There we go.
Whee! Oh, God.
And past you. I won.
You won, mate. Mate.
Okay.
Look how bad that looks. But I still love nature.
I hope you enjoyed this. Like and subscribe for more content like this. Anyways, have a good day. Bye, YouTube.
So, bye.